Okay guys, I'm in Dollar Tree and I'm coming to do the second part of the lip gloss finds as far as making making your lip gloss and finding cheap materials. And if I can see anything else in here business wise that you can use for some other type of business, I'll let you guys know. So I'm probably gonna do talk voiceover because when I'm in stores I can't depend on them not playing music or somebody being, saying something they ain't got no business type thing. But yeah, so this is how we're gonna do this. I'm gonna do a talk over voiceover. That's a lot of work. I'm trying to get y'all some videos now. So okay, you have local pickups. These are some good bags to get, and they have a variety of colors. They have the tissue paper on there, and one of my faves is their packing, the shredded paper. They have it in all colors: red, blue, brown, yellow. I don't see any purple, but I'm pretty sure they got it somewhere. But they have all colors. Spoons, if you prefer to use spoons. Me, I prefer mixing sticks, but they have all kinds of spoons in here. The white, clear, any color your heart decides. Here they have some sauce cups, with the lid to go to it, but I don't really use the lids. Or if you're making samples or you want to test out a color, those are great to test out in those little itty bitty bowls right there, so you don't waste too much product. Oh, we have one right here. This one right here. But I get mine from Walmart because I think that's a better deal because they have actually 100 in it for I don't know how much, but yeah. Okay, they have some small mixing sticks. I don't like the little mixing sticks. I like the big ones that I have on my site. These right here, they don't really pick up enough product for me. But if you like little ones, they have them here. And as you can see, it's 100 in the pack for $1. These right here, you can get the white poster board to make take some decent pictures with. Like you can lean it against the wall and have it put your product on it and take your pictures like that. So you have a background for your pics. I wouldn't recommend the color one because no, because depending on just the white. Be safe with the white. Put your site one color, whatever, but the background of the pics white. And they also have some trifold poster board here that you can actually lean it inside of or whatever if you want to take that extra step. So those trifold right there are $1. These right here are good when you have a limited storage areas and you want to be able to maximize your storage. These bowls right here are pretty much what I started off with. It's, you can use it for storage and mixing your glosses, which I don't use those now. I have to get the huge bowls because I've grown. But these are great for if you're beginner and you're mixing your glosses in it, you can still use them for storage. And it's 3 in there for $1. These are some more of their little gadgets when it comes to organizing what you got going on, to maximize your space, to keep everything separated. They got a good little selection here. These spoons right here, the black spoons, is what I mix mine with because like I said, I have to use the big bowls and that's all I use it for. And they're pretty sturdy. And they're $1 each, of course. And last but not least, here are the bottle cleaners, which I use to clean my syringes. I got mine from Walmart, but here you go for $1. So thank you for watching this video. As I find new, cheap items or whatever for you guys, I will surely post them. Stay tuned for more videos and remember to be you, because only you can do it best.